Hey folks,
Hi.
Toonie Travelers here. In today's adventure, because we are adventuring today, we're traveling. And we're in Huntington, Indiana.
Hey-o.
Hey-o. We're on the Tenderloin Trail.
Yes.
Did you know that Indiana has what they call the Tenderloin Trail? It's like the best places in Indiana to get a pork tenderloin. And that trail took us to Huntington, Indiana. And we're in front of Nick's Kitchen.
The world famous Nick's Kitchen.
World famous Nick's Kitchen.
Yeah.
And you know what? They've got a tenderloin, folks. We're going to go check it out. See what it's all about.
Let's do it.
They've got a motto. They say people come for the tenderloin, but stick around for the pie. So we'll probably get a pie, too. So, folks, buckle up and buckle in.
And let the Nick's Kitchen experience begin.
You got that right. Come on, eat it up. Now, the originator or the founder of Nick's Kitchen was Nick Feinstein. Now, Nick, this guy was a hustler. And what I mean by hustler is he was a hard worker. At a very young age, he was selling food from a cart at the courthouse. Moved on, started moving hamburgers from underneath a stairwell in a 10 by 10 spot. And then, at the age of 32, in 1908, well, there you have it. Nick's Kitchen. He had it for, I don't know, I think it was 2 decades, and then sold it. But his legacy lives on with that wonderful tenderloin that folks travel miles around as they are still using the original recipe. Hats off to you, Nick. Awesome, awesome sandwich. Now, folks, we are here at the famous Nick's Kitchen. A couple of things they're known for. Their motto is, you come for the tenderloin, but you stick around for the pie. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have room for the pie or not, but we're going to check it out. But I got to tell you, Vicky's dish looks great, and I'm getting ready to get in to this perfectly breaded onion ring. And again, what they're known for, the big Mama Jamma.
Can you get it?
The famous, having a hard time picking this thing up, the famous Nick's Kitchen, Indiana pork tenderloin sandwich. Folks, we're going to dig in. We'll tell you what it's all about. Is it worth the trip to Huntington, Indiana to go to Nick's Kitchen? I'm guessing it is, but we'll let you know. Stick around. Now, I'm taking my first bite, and I gotta tell you, perfectly breaded, nice amount of meat as far as the thickness of it. This is a great sandwich, folks. Definitely come to Nick's Kitchen. Woo-wee, it's good. Well, so Vicky, how do you like your salad?
This is one of the best I think I've ever had. It's so good. The grilled chicken is perfectly grilled. It's seasoned just right. These breadsticks are also like amazing. Like they're not just your typical breadsticks. I want to know how they made these. They're buttery. They're delicious. This has all the ingredients that I look for in a Cobb salad. So I'm very happy. Cheers.
And at $34, we felt it was reasonably priced for 2 people.
Is right. Whoa, that was delicious.
Good thing I wore my pants with the elastic waist and the tie, because I'm full. You full?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we've had some really good food.
Yeah.
Past couple days especially. Yeah.
But yeah, again, we're on the what?
I said YOLO. You know what that means. You only live once.
Oh. I thought you were having like YouTube Tourette's or something and just like spatting out things. Anywho, let's get this back on track, okay?
Yeah.
But folks, we were on the Tenderloin Trail. Unbelievable. She's out of her mind.
Look, that was like, I'm in a food, I don't know, it's not a coma because I'm pretty much wide awake.
She's all jacked up on key lime pie.
Yes.
Yeah, we went to Nick's Kitchen on the Tenderloin Trail here in Huntington, Indiana. Stopped in, had a really good meal. Excellent service.
Really nice.
It was just a great experience all the way around.
Yeah.
I had the tenderloin sandwich because that's what they're known for, and again, we're on the Tenderloin Trail.
I had a chicken Cobb salad because that's what I'm known for, is loving chicken Cobb salad.
Being a little cobby.
This was actually one of the best though that I've ever had. Yeah.
But no, it was good. It was a nice diner style kitchen. Everything was fresh, made to order, made from scratch. I got to tell you, the tenderloin and the onion rings, outstanding. Nicely breaded, lightly breaded, very tasty, crisp, not oily.
Very important. Yeah. Let us know if you've been here.
Yeah.
We'd like to hear your feedback, your comments.
Yeah. So folks, that's going to do it for this vlog. Go to Nick's Kitchen. Seemed like everything they had was pretty good. And the pies were made in-house. The only thing that really wasn't made in-house, and it was good, was the lemonade. I had the lemonade. The lemonade came from a lemonade dispenser, but I don't know what brand it is they're using over there, but it was a really good lemonade. But anyway, we'll see you next time, folks.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like and subscribe.
So until next time, good day to you. Oh wait, what?
We need to end it that way, and then we also need to have the loud truck.
No, motorcycle. That was a motorcycle.
That was a motorcycle.
Yeah, motorcycles, weed eaters, anything loud. We always get it. We're YouTubers. But anyway, that'll do it. So folks, see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Vicky normally asks for you to like and subscribe, so I'll do it this time.
I already did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
All right, so long. Bye-bye.